One of the most memorable days in Indian history is 15th August. It's the day on which the Indian subcontinent got independence after a long struggle. India only has three national festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation as one. One being the Independence Day, 15th August, and the other two being Republic Day, 26th January, and Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. After independence, India became the largest democracy in the world. We fought very hard to get our independence from the Britishers. For almost 2 centuries, the Britishers ruled over us, and the citizens of the country suffered a lot due to the oppressors. British officials treat us like slaves until we manage to fight back against them. We struggled for our independence but worked tirelessly and selfishly under the guidance of our leaders Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Bhagat Singh. Some of these leaders chose the path of violence while some other chose non-violence. But the ultimate aim of these was to drive out the Britishers from the country. And on 15th August 1947, the long-awaited dream come true. To relieve the movement and to enjoy the spirit of freedom and independence, we celebrate Independence Day. Another reason is to remember the sacrifices and lives we have lost in this struggle. Besides, we celebrated it to remind us that this freedom that we enjoy is earned the hard way. Apart from that, the celebration wakes up the patriot inside us. Along with celebration, the young generation is acquainted with the struggle of the people who lived at that time. Although it's a national holiday, the people of the country celebrate it with great enthusiasm. Schools, offices, societies, and colleges celebrate this day by organizing various small and big events. Every year at Red Fort, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. In the honor of the occasion, 25 gunshots are fired. This is the beginning of the main event. This event is later on followed by an army parade. The school and colleges organize cultural events, fancy dress competitions, speed debate, and quiz competition. Every Indian holds a different viewpoint about Indian independence. For some, it's a reminder of the long struggle, while for youngsters, it stands for the glory and honor of the country. Above all, we can see the feeling of patriotism across the country. The Indians celebrate Independence Day with a feeling of nationalism and patriotism across the country. On this day, every citizen echoes with festive feelings and pride in the diversity and unity of the people. It's not only a celebration of independence, but also of the unity and diversity of the country. Thank you.